everyone, welcome to Eva Chaudhary channel. Today my mom and I just wrapped up our summer holiday project diving into the beautiful art of Lippan. I'm thrilled to share our process about how to create this project which is available on Amazon. Here's what you'll need: orange paper, air dry clay, glue, small circle mirrors like these, two black figures, stick man, only the torso and the head, brushes, paint brushes, okay. Start by covering a piece of cardboard with orange paper and framing it with maroon strips adorned with circle mirrors at each corner. Next, paste mirrors along the borders alternating with air dry clay strips for texture. Paint a vibrant sun using yellow hues and position the stick figures on either side. Detail hands with a painted spatula and embellish with white painted necklace and bangles in the hands and legs. Complete the look with delicate white dots along the borders. Like this, and draw the dots in between the designs like this. You can paste extra mirrors or different types of mirrors to make it look even more beautiful. And there you have it, a stunning Lippan-inspired wall hanging ready to adorn any space with cultural charm. We hope you enjoyed our creative process. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inspiring DIY projects. Thanks for watching. Bye.